In this video, I will show you how to create a group on Imo. Now, to make an Imo group, you need first to come to this contacts section here and tap this option to start creating your group. You can also tap this plus button below here to start creating your group. And on this next screen, you need to select your group type, private or public. And to create a public group on Imo, your account should be on higher level. The next thing is to add at least one contact, then tap this check mark below here to create your group. And on your group, you can voice call or video call your group members above here. And below here, you can send a text message or a voice message, emojis, or even play a game. You can also capture a photo or a video, or even upload one from your device and share on your group. In addition, you can share a file from your device, add contacts or other groups to your group, and even have a secret chat or call. And if you tap these three dots above here, you can add more members to your group, delete chat history, and perform other tasks. And to delete your Imo group, you need to come to this notification section, then tap and hold on your group, and then go on to delete the chat history and close the group. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below. And if you want to grow and succeed on Imo and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.